Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this tutorial you will learn how you can change your avatar or profile picture in the Duolingo app, for example, on your Android. So let us begin. In the first step, launch the Duolingo application. So let me do this really quickly on my Android phone. And from here, tap into that smiling face icon at the bottom. Tap into it to access your profile. After that, tap into this button in the top right corner with this pencil icon to set a new avatar. You can take a photo, for example, or use one from your mobile phone's storage. So tap into your photos in this tutorial or in this method. After that, give Duolingo the permission to access your phone's storage. So tap into allow here. And after that, you will be redirected to your phone's storage. And here in your phone storage, tap into these three lines in the top left and select your folder, for example, images, or from Google Drive, from Google Photos, your phone gallery. So let me tap into my phone gallery. After that, select a folder. So let me go with that download folder here. And last but not least, select an item to make it your new avatar. So tap into it. And there you go. As you can see, my avatar has been changed. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.